Hello, wonderful people. So, in this video, we are going to be making rosemary spray. This is actually fast and easy. It is something you can make for yourself. And you know, one special thing I love about what's it called about rosemary is that I don't have a fridge, but it can stay for even more than a week, 2 weeks without getting spots. So that's one wonderful thing about rosemary. And beyond that as well, it is good for hair growth. Like it is very, very good for hair growth. It is something that you will use in the next 3 days, you'll be seeing results. It makes your hair fuller, like very, 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 very full. So if you're trying to grow your hedges, if you're trying to grow your hair, you have hair breakage, trying to just grow your hair and move from short hair to long hair. I am telling you, this is not this is not clickbait or something. Rosemary is actually very, very good to grow your hair. Now, as you can see, the rosemary, I'm using the dry one. If you have the opportunity to get the plant directly, you can. But in the part of the world I've never seen the plants before actually, so I'm using the one I bought, which has been made and transformed into this. So you can buy that one or get the plant. As I was saying, this rosemary, it is actually very, very good. It can be compared to minoxidil. We don't know minoxidil. Minoxidil has been used from ages to grow hair, actually. So for this, all this hair growth stuff, I don't really measure it. I just use the amount that I use the amount that I know that I can use probably in one or two, and girl, I am good to go. So I added water. In your old case, you can add hot water or normal room temperature water. But for me, I added hot water. I don't mind the way I'm just removing it. I'm adding water to heat actually. So I added water to heat. I added water to, you see that I used a lot of rosemary because me, I want my hair to be growing long, long, long and long. So I added a lot of rosemary and I don't get any irritation on my scalp or it starts to scratch me or so, or get any itching on my scalp. No, everything works perfectly for me. No side effects for me. So please, this is not, it's not that you pour it inside water and you start to use it. No. Please leave it for at least 24 hours. So I left this for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, I sieved it. I removed from the rosemary from the water. So I'm going to show you how it looks, guy. Can you see how it looks? So if you don't have this color, don't sieve it yet though. Don't sieve it yet though, my people. Don't sieve it yet. So look at the color, like look at the color. So you have to have something like this to get maximum result though. Please and please. So please make sure you get that color before you have maximum, before you use. Now for this, I'm not going to throw it away. So I added water to heat again. I added a little water to it. You see the one I made, I can only use it for maybe like 3 to 4 days. That's all. Because I spray my hair every day. Like every day. Every day. Please, when you start using it, please spray your hair every day. Like spray it every day. So the rosemary, I added water to it, and the next day I sieved it again, then disposed the rosemary. Now I can leave the rosemary to go. So guys, when I made this rosemary, this was the hairstyle that was on my hair. And please, nothing must stop you from spraying your hair, whether you are on you plait your hair or not. Make sure you spray it, and please spray to your roots, not your hair but to your roots, to your scalp, like to your roots. That is what you are spraying. No, please and please don't. Some people would be spraying, don't spray your hair, but spray the scalp where your hair will grow from. So that is the appropriate way to spray your hair, and also do it every day for maximum results. Even though you forget, sometimes you might even forget actually, but please just make sure you are consistent with it so that you can get the maximum result you want. Rosemary actually works. it actually works, and this is the fastest and easy way to what to grow your hair without any stress. So if you've tried this, please kindly put in the comments and you just want to try it, then I'm waiting for your results. I'm waiting for your results. So thank you so much for watching. If you don't know me, my name is Mary, and how what I do on this channel is to make sure you have a glowing skin and long and healthy hair. And this is one of the videos I make. So thank you so much for watching. I want to see you in my next video. Bye.